Hello guys, this is John with my Everyday Tech. Previously, we have unboxed this HETCH Multipurpose Blender and Soup Maker. So in this video, we're going to show you guys how you can easily cook mushroom soup by following these simple steps. Let's have a look at ingredients that we're going to use for today's mushroom soup. Cut the onion and mushroom into slices, and then put the onion and mushroom into the blender. Add salt and pepper according to your taste, and then pour in water until the soup max line, adding the chicken stock or vegetable stock, and close the lid. Turn on the blender, select Soup Smooth from the menu and press Set. The blender will start boiling the water, and then it blends the ingredients into tiny pieces. The whole process should take around 25 minutes. When it is done, add in the pouring cream and then use the pause button on the blender to evenly mix them. And now the mushroom soup is ready. Serve it while it is still hot, or you can also pair it with garlic breads, which is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed the mushroom soup we just cooked. Or basically we just prepare the ingredient, throw everything inside, set the menu and let the blender handle the rest of the stuff. Do let us know what did you guys think of the HETCH Multipurpose Blender and Soup Maker. This is John with my Everyday Tech. I'll see you guys in the next video.